show you today how I make a really nice slow cooker hamburger hash. So as you can see, I've got my burger in here. I got 1 pound of burger, you know, give or take a few. And I've got some onions in there. I got a nice small onion in there, and I'm just going to brown this up. I'm not going to cook it all the way through. Just get it good and brown. And then what this recipe calls for is russet potatoes. I don't know, probably 3 cups or so in there. A can of cream of any kind of soup you want to use. I'm using cream of chicken. And then you can use any vegetable you want as well. So I'm just using a little mixed vegetables. And then you're going to need just a little bit of cheese. So with that being said, we'll get this all ground up so we can get this going here. See, that's coming along pretty good. Okay, so right here in my slow cooker, I'm going to put my potatoes. Now I didn't peel them, but I scrubbed them really good and I just chunked them up. Okay, and I'm also going to pour in my little bit of mixed vegetables. And with that, I'm going to put in my cream of chicken soup. And you only need 1 can. Okay, got that in there. I'm going to put a little pepper in here, fresh ground pepper. Actually a lot of pepper because my family loves it. Wonderful stuff. I'm not going to add any salt to this because the soup is quite salty. I'm going to put about a good teaspoon of minced garlic in there. And that will be all for my soup. Very simple and basic. And this is almost ready to go in there. Okay, turn my burner off. Get my nice little pot holder that one of my friends made for me. Isn't that wonderful? Tina from New York made that for me. She sells them. They're beautiful. We're going to put our burger down in here. Okay. Put a little bit of cheese in here. I got a good handful. I don't want too much cheese because we don't like it too cheesy. But anyway, so that's it. And then we're just going to mix this up really good. And you can see how nice that looks. I need to mix it. It'll mix it better with my wooden spoon. Get it all down in there. And that will be wonderful. Now that's going to go, I'm going to put it on low. And it's going to go for about 5 or 6 hours. And when it's all done, I'll bring it back and I'll show you how wonderful it turns out. Okay, friends, my hamburger hash is done. Let me slide this out just a hair. And it looks wonderful. Turned out fantastic. And there's just enough veggies in there that the kids will get their veggies too. So I'm just going to scoop some up here in this dish. And look how nice that turned out. That's fantastic. Easy for a busy day. You put it all in the slow cooker and you let it do its magic. And there you have it. And it is budget friendly. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.